Hello, I'm Vincent Elixman from Melexis. I'm here today to present you the MLX Nano 364, a new Triaxis solution for your position sensor applications. We have engineered this new Triaxis product to better address the robustness and reliability requirement of the automotive industry. To achieve that goal, we have targeted the reduction of number of component and process steps as well as their variation. For this new Triaxis position sensor, no PCB is needed. Therefore, we speak about a PCB-less sensor assembly. Having no PCB is fine, but we still need to meet the EMC and ESD requirements. We have simply integrated the decoupling capacitor and the silicon IC on the same lead frame. After molding, we get the unique dual mold package of the MLX Nano 364. With such a product, from now on, you can create your own assembly and get all the benefits we have put into it for the highest reliability, robustness and performance in highly stressful environments. Here's a quick overview. So, we have our position sensor and caps conventionally mounted on a PCB. A lead frame is better, and attaching them to the lead frame and encapsulating them is best of all. Let's explain the advantages in more detail. A conventional PCB-based assembly has a sensor IC and typically 4 decoupling capacitors. This can bring 19 solder joints and 6 components. Any FMEA study will show the increased risk from so many components and connections. To meet the stringent automotive EMC and ESD specs, we only need the capacitors and the sensor IC. So, let's take them out of the conventional PCB assembly and put them on their own lead frame. These precious components still need protection on that lead frame, so we encapsulate them in a proven thermoset IC molding epoxy. Finally, you can integrate our dual mold package into your design. For the terminals, you can choose whether to solder or weld, and for the whole assembly, you can choose whether to pot or overmold. All harsh environment application for position sensing module can benefit greatly from the dual mold package of the Nano 364, including turbo pneumatic actuators, electronic throttle body, and manual gear shifters. MLX Nano 364 and our dual mold package bring the next breakthrough in ruggedized sensing solution for harsh environment applications. If you want to make your sensors better, go PCB-less. Contact us and we'll show you how.